Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you my portfolio which I made a few time ago, and will show you each and every step how I made this, and you can get the source code in the description. So I will not be coding in this video, I will just show how I make this with the help of React.js and some other tools. And you can also make this exact portfolio. I will give the code in the description so you can check it from there. So let's start and see what are the details in this portfolio website. Okay, so first of all, you can see there is an opening tag here. First of all, you will see the name, so it is written here, hi, I am Techie Web Dev, and it is showing to scroll down here. So let's scroll down and you will see a parallax effect. You can see in the photo here, you can see there is a parallax effect, so that looks pretty cool. You can add some other effects also, but there is a simple parallax effect, nothing advanced here. And after that you will get the introduction page, so who you are, what you do, this is add in this page. So you can see myself, and it is showing here one by one, turn by turn. I am a YouTuber, web designer, and a MERN developer. So you can add all these tags here, and here you can see a photo which is had a 3D effect. So as you can see here, I am hovering over this photo here, and it is interacting with my mouse here with my cursor. And you can see two buttons here, which is about me, and the second is download resume. So this button is to download your resume, and this will take you to the about page. And you will also notice there is a big text of myself. So you can see in the background here, this myself is also moving whenever I am scrolling in the web page. Now let's come down here where you can show all your skills here. So I have shown my skills in this section here. You can see all the skills are listed here and with the stars, and you can see there is a very cool 3D effect going on here with some text shadow elements. Alright, so you can achieve this with the help of some 3D CSS. You will get the code in the description, so don't worry. And here you can see all the skills here I have mentioned. And if you don't want these stars to be there, you can just remove it, it's your choice. Now let's come down, and you can see there are the websites. So now the projects that I have made, so you can include your projects here. And also you can check in the background, there is a website, the word website is also moving, so that looks pretty cool. And you can see there are some bootstrap cards, so I have used some bootstrap, not a lot. So you can see these are some pretty cool cards here. So let's click on any one. So here, and you can see this opens in a new tab and it take me to that website. So let's close that, and then you can see all the JavaScript projects that I have made. And you can see take a look here. Now you can also click on these any of these cards here. Let's just click on anyone. So let's chess. You can say you can play the chess. I have also made the video on this, so if you want the video you can check it from the description. And all these projects I have made a video on all of them. So let's so for example this Connect 4 also you can play it. Okay, so let's close all these. Now after that I have mentioned my channel here. So if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can just mention your another links like GitHub or any LinkedIn. Alright, so I have mentioned my YouTube channel and some videos also. Then in the footer you can see here I have mentioned all the links here, which is LinkedIn, Insta, Twitter, YouTube and GitHub. And here you will see a contact button which will take you to the contact page. I will show you later. Then also here is a download resume button. So there are two resume downloads button. So let's click on this download resume and see what will happen. So you can see a resume is being downloaded, and it is downloaded now, which is in the form of PPTX. And if you just open it, you will see the resume. Okay, so in this way you can add a resume. So let me just show you in the code here. You can see to get the downloadable button here, you can do something like this. In the A tag you have to write download and then give any name, and then in the href you have to link the PDF or PPTX file. So that's all in the home page. Let's click on this navbar, and one more time, before moving to the other page, you can see here in the bottom right there's a to the top button. So let's click on it, and you can see it just takes me directly to the top. And also you will notice the scroll bar is customized, so this looks pretty cool. And if you don't want this customized, you can just remove that. So let's click on this navbar here. So you can see there is a different effect also, which is a day effect, and the home, about, and contact. So let's click on this contact here, and you can see it takes me to the contact page which says contact me. Then you have to just enter your name, email, and write a message, and you will send a message. So if I just send a message with empty name, you will see it will ask me to fill the name, and this is achieved with the help of Formspree. Okay, so this email, this like contact page is completed with the help of Formspree. And let's go to about page. So you can see there is a cool transition also. Here you can write all the details about yourself. It is a pretty like basic page, not a lot are here, not a lot is going on here. And let's just go to the home page and see the light effect. Okay, so we are currently in the dark mode, so let's switch to the light mode and see. So as you can see here, whenever I just switch to the light mode, it changes the background with something more cooler, and you can see the background is just completely white and all the text are now black, and some of the colors are remain same, which is you can see in the this golden color is same, this red color is also same, and you can see it is also looking good in the light mode also. Let's check other page also. Let's say contact, you can see it is looking great. Let's say about, so the light mode is also great. Let's switch back to the dark mode. So yeah, as you can see, this is all about my portfolio, and once again all the code will be in the description. So if you want to check it out, you can check from the description. I have given the link there. And if you want me to show the code and also write the code in a separate video, comment down, and if I get enough comments about writing a code, I will make a separate video where I will write each and every code here about this portfolio, in this portfolio, and we will make this portfolio, okay, so by scratch. So if you want that, comment that below, and tell me in the comments what you think about this portfolio, and if you have some suggestions also, you can write that in the comments. That's it for this video guys. I will see you in the next one.